KHON2 weather, Kamakapili.
A partly cloudy day today that is only starting to see a buildup of the cloud coverage. And as we take a peek into tomorrow, we know why. All the threats across the board are all high. That incoming cold front from the northwest, a quite vigorous one, is going to be bringing a lot of impacts actually throughout the islands for the next few days. By the time we get to the ending of the week, we're going to start to see some improvement. But again, taking a look at all the advisories and warnings issued, flood advisory for the island of Kauai until 7:30 at least. Wind advisory in effect for all islands with the exception of Hawaii Island. That island, though, is included in a flash flood watch, all islands with the exception of Kauai, and that high surf warning and advisories both extended until Tuesday morning. And on top of that, what's not listed on there, a gale watch for all western waters of the islands with the exception of Hawaii Island. Small craft advisory remains there. Now, in terms of the wave heights, we've seen it dip a little bit below warning levels today, but it's only going to be increasing yet again to 30 to 40 footers tomorrow evening for the north-facing shores, 22 to 28 for the west. Again, life-threatening conditions, not as large as the swell we've seen last week, but still dangerous nonetheless. Calmest conditions 1 to 3 down on the south, 4 to 6 on the east-facing shores. Now, once this builds into tonight into tomorrow, peaking tomorrow evening, we'll start to exit Tuesday, giving the second half of this week calmer conditions for our shorelines. But once we get to Friday into the next weekend, we're going to start to see yet another swell build those wave heights back up yet again. Now, looking at the future radar, we definitely have this cold front that's made its way towards the northwestern portion of the state. Before I get into the shower activity, you see the lines of the winds coming this way, more of this southeasterly flow in front of that cold front, more of this gusty northerly flow behind it. That's where that wind advisory is coming from, mainly for the smaller islands tomorrow. We could be seeing gusts up to 45, potentially 50 miles per hour. Again, that's behind this cold front, and with these northerly winds, expect a little bit more chillier conditions outside. What we're looking for in terms of the time frame, this is 8 o'clock tomorrow morning where we see that boundary making its way over Maui County, and unfortunately, that's where it looks to be stalling out for a bit and kind of remain there in through Tuesday. It's around Tuesday where we start to see that cold front dissipate, but a lot of moisture will remain, and that upper level disturbance will also remain until the ending of the week. So the instability and the chances of isolated thunderstorms and even heavy showers at times will remain to potentially Thursday or Friday. But again, what we're looking at, northerly winds will start to build in tomorrow. The wet weather, the craziest until Wednesday, second half of the week. A little unstable, windward showers mainly until this weekend. Sam, I give it back to you.